Welcome back to class, my amazing student. In this module, we shall consider combination. Combination is simply a manner of selecting some objects from a given set of objects in such a way that the order of their selection does not matter. It is also assumed that one is not selecting a single item more than once. That is, repetitions are not allowed. Formally, combination can be expressed as n, r or n combination r, which is given as n factorial over n minus r factorial r factorial, where n factorial is equal to n multiplied by n minus 1, and this reduces by 1. Therefore, n factorial is equal to n multiplied by n minus 1 factorial. Example 1. A magic show has 10 people in the audience. For the next act, the magician needs 2 people from the audience. In how many ways can he invite 2 people from his audience? Solution. We must choose 2 people out of the total 10 people. According to the formula, we have n is equal to 10 and r is equal to 2. Therefore, we have 10 combination 2. Don't forget that n combination r is n factorial over n minus 1 factorial r factorial. Therefore, we have 10 factorial all over 10 minus 2 factorial 2 factorial. 10 combination 2 is equal to 10 factorial over 8 factorial 2 factorial. 8 factorial is gotten from 10 minus 2 factorial. Also, 10 factorial is the same thing as 10 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 factorial. All over 8 factorial multiplied by 2. 2 factorial is the same thing as 2 multiplied by 1 factorial, which is 2. So therefore, we have 10 multiplied by 9. 8 factorial cancelled 8 factorial. So we have 10 multiplied by 9 over 2, and the result is 45 ways. Hence, there are 45 ways in which the magician can select 2 people from his audience of 10. Example 2. Find the number of ways a committee of 5 consisting of 3 males and 2 females can be formed from a social club consisting of 8 males and 7 females. Find the number of ways a committee of 5 consisting of 3 males and 2 females can be formed from a social club consisting of 8 males and 7 females. Solution. The number of ways of selecting 3 males from 8 males is 8 combination 3. 8 combination 3 is the same thing as 8 factorial over 8 minus 3 factorial 3 factorial. At the numerator, 8 factorial is equal to 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial. At the denominator, 8 minus 3 factorial is the same thing as 5 factorial, and we have 5 factorial times 3 factorial. 5 factorial, the numerator cancel 5 factorial at the denominator. Hence, we have 8 times 7 times 6 all over 3 factorial. 3 factorial at the denominator is reduced to 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. And we therefore have 8 multiplied by 7. So the number of ways of selecting 3 males from 8 males is 56 ways. So the second part of the question is number of ways of selecting 2 females from 7 females. We therefore achieve that by saying 7 combination 2. 7 combination 2 is equal to 7 factorial divided by 7 minus 2 factorial 2 factorial. 7 factorial is equal to 7 times 6 times 5 factorial. And 7 minus 2 factorial is 5 factorial. Multiply by 2 factorial, that is at the denominator. 5 factorial cancel 5 factorial, and we therefore have 7 multiplied by 6 over 2 factorial. 2 factorial is the same thing as 2 multiplied by 1 factorial, which is the same thing as 2 times 1. So the result therefore gives us 7 multiplied by 3, and we have 21 ways. Therefore, to get the number of ways of forming the committee, we are going to multiply the number of ways of selecting 3 males from 8 males by the number of ways of selecting 2 females from 7 females, and that gives us 56 multiplied by 21, which gives us 1176 ways. Thank you for listening.